Today we're keeping an eye on the farm in real time, thanks to the help of our new 4G LTE Cellular Trail Cam from CAMOJOJO. It has its own SIM card and uses AT&T network to send updates right to your phone. And it comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual and quick start guide, mounting strap, a USB-C transfer cable, a mounting plate with grippy teeth on the back, and of course, your trail cam. If you pop open the tab on the side, you'll see it's preloaded with a SIM card. Then if you push the button on the bottom, you'll eject the battery compartment. It holds 12 AA batteries, and these aren't included. So grab a couple handfuls of batteries and get to inserting. After your battery clip is fully loaded, slap it back into the trail cam and then download the CAMOJOJO app to your phone. To pair your device, you simply scan the QR code on the inside of the trail cam, give it a name, click start, and your device is paired and ready to be set up. Then you can go into the settings and adjust things as you see fit. Then you can test the free trial, or select a data plan. This is required if you'd like to download HD clips and have live stream access. But there's a free week trial that you can use and give it a test. So after you sort that out, it's time to mount it. Slide the mounting plate onto the back of the trail cam, and then put the mounting strap to the back as well. Find a good tree and strap it down. After it's nice and secure, turn it on, then use your phone to view through the camera and get real-time updates of what's going on. The body is IP66 waterproof and can handle the elements. I left it out recording and monitoring our trails for a bit, and we caught some interesting stuff. First, we captured some clips of a deer exploring around. And we even captured a young fawn frolicking around and having some fun on the trails. Next, we had a couple of raccoons looking for some berries. And this next clip was around the 4th of July, and a family of raccoons were scared of the woods because of some fireworks. If you listen closely, you can hear them in the distance. Now these are the full quality clips, but if you don't want to waste your HD download or want to save some space, you can also download sample clips. And that looks like this. It's a little bit more blurry, but not too bad. And the night vision clips look fine in sample mode too. But they look really good in full HD. I'm definitely happy with the picture quality for being all cloud-based. A few nights later, something went and messed with my trail cam. I can't be for certain what caused it, but the next clip I got was of a raccoon walking by. And then my favorite clip, we captured a fox. So one of them, or an off-camera deer, messed with my camera. Not cool, bro. Anyway, the next morning I came out and brought the camera in to spy on my cats. It's been so cool to get an inside look into the outside world. And what I find even cooler is that you can go into the app and view statistics. It'll show you what days had the most triggers, what species walked in front, the temperature, the moon phase, and so much more. There's plenty of information to cross-reference and monitor your area. So whether you're a hunter or looking for some home security, this 4G LTE Trail Cam from CAMOJOJO might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go see what cool clips I caught today. See ya!
Yeah,